Hello, future CAs. When something extraordinary happens in the world, your reaction to it is, wow, what was that, right? Let's say when I watched Interstellar movie, I was like, wow, how can even someone think of that? If you're someone who hasn't watched Interstellar, maybe you would have felt that way when you watch some Indian movie like KGF or Bahubali. Wow, what a movie. That is exactly what we are bringing. WoW subscription for CA students for you to feel that WoW on the result day. In my 7 years of teaching, after interacting with so many students, I kind of figured out what is the problem a student goes through, and this is a solution for all of that, guys. Very simple. Students get confused. Sir, should I take regular class or fast track class? Already paid fees for regular and fast track. Which one to watch? We're not doing business. One class, only one class and one price. You get access for everything and clear WoW schedule with no confusion. Let me explain this in detail, guys. We're only going to cover 3 elements of WoW. The letters have 3, so 3 elements. For whom is WoW subscription, sir? Is this applicable for me? You will decide in the next few minutes. Sir, what is this WoW schedule? Believe me, guys, this kind of schedule is not there anywhere in the country. And after you watch the video, with the little common sense that we all have, you decide, is this smart or not smart? And lastly, what is actually included in this to make it so wow? Let's start off. For whom is this applicable? Let's take 2 category of people. Let's say one side we have Virat Kohli writing our CA exams. Other side we have Anushka, who also wrote CA inter exams. Virat Kohli wrote one group and cleared one group. Group 1 he cleared, he has group 2 pending, or he wrote group 2 and he has group 1 pending. So in the upcoming exam, the other group he has to study in detail. So keep Virat Kohli as one side, where one group successful, sir. Now other group I have to study. How do I start? This is applicable for them. And also for Anushka, let's say you're all waiting, sir, we are waiting for Anushka's story. Anushka could not clear. Anushka got, let's say, 110 or 120 or 140s, 130s. Is so heartbreaking with so many students getting 130s and 140s. Couldn't get that 150 mark. And what about these students? For these students also, workout WoW subscription is applicable. So if you are watching and if you belong to Virat's profile or to Anushka's profile, this WoW subscription is applicable to you. To make it very simple, if you have post results 2 months left for your exam, approximately 45 days, 50 days, 2 months left for your exam, this WoW subscription is the perfect one for your exam. So over here we have now covered for whom it is applicable. Now coming to the magic, the most important part. Sir, what is this WoW schedule? What is included to make it WoW? Very simple. Our WoW features essentially covers 3 types of classes, guys, properly designed. You're going to get access for all of this. First, let's take Virat Kohli. So Virat Kohli finished to one group. Now he has to study the other group. First time studying or first time is going to learn in detail. So he needs detailed regular concept videos. This detailed concept, around 300 to 400 hours per group, will be given to Virat. He will follow the SSS video that we made. This video made long back. We split the syllabus into 4 parts. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Duration is given. A proper schedule is given. I will not be talking much about that over here. We have a separate SSS video. Go watch that. Virat will understand how can he go and prepare for his exam. Now coming to Anushka and Virat. Most of the students who got 110, 120, 130s, for all these students, what do you need for exam? You have hardly less than 2 months left. How do you prepare? Let me give an example for you to understand. Guys. Now in WoW features, the new addition, what have we newly added over here is very simple. This 150 hours is in addition to already detailed lectures. In this 150 hours, you will get WoW concept quick revision videos and also workout WoW. Let me explain this with the help of the schedule. Now, WoW subscription, this right side what you are seeing is the regular triple S class that you are anyway going to get access. This left hand side, this 150 hours for each group is going to be the WoW new features that we have added. Let me explain this with the example like I said. Let's take a student guys. Now you got 120, 130, 100, whatever score. Now again you are preparing for the next exam. Let's say May or September, whichever exam. Now you are taking up AS4. Do you think you have the time to again go and watch detailed 2 hours class of AS4 or even 1 hour? Why? Not needed. So you will not see the detailed class. You will straight away come to concept plus workout. Wow. What is this? Come to advanced accounting. When I come to advanced accounting over here, look at this. In WoW concepts, you have 30 hours of advanced accounting and 30 hours of workout. So for AS4, I will quickly revise AS4 in 20 to 30 minutes max in our WoW concepts and quickly go and practice these questions and be ready for the exam. It is not going to be simple practice of questions. I will tell you how the workout will be done. Now AS4 is done. Let's go to next topic. Let's say AS20 or AS15. Difficult standards. Even though you already prepared, you realize that in the exam AS20 and AS15 you were not able to answer. Your preparation was not full. So for these topics, you will go and watch the detailed videos as per triple S, and then in that we will cover all the sums. Again additionally, you will come and do workout sums and WoW concept revision to see, okay, I'm getting the grip now. Similarly for law, a chapter like dividend, very easy. Why should I watch regular videos? Don't watch regular videos. Don't start from scratch for a chapter like dividend, guys, because in your dream also you will tell section 127 what is the penalty rate. So directly go to WoW concepts for dividend. If I take law, we are revising full law in 20 hours. That 20 minutes where we revise dividend, go see provisions. Yes, I'm able to revise everything. Go to workout. In 1 hour we will solve 30 to 40 questions of dividend. I know all these provisions. That's it. It's done. We will proceed. Like this. Lastly, let me take FEMA. For FEMA, I didn't study, sir. Go see detailed videos. Go see workout. Get the clarity. Like this, subject wise, topic wise, you will determine whether you will see only workout WoW. Most students who already know the concepts can just see the WoW folder. Others who need detail will go for triple S. So this is the access that you are going to get, guys. You are going to get WoW features. Like I said, detailed concept and workout. Sir, what is so wow about it? Anything else apart from this? Yes. So by paying just one price, like I mentioned in the start of the video, you are going to get full access for regular and workout classes. You can watch what you need because we have limited time. Second, sir, in this workout, is this just going to be ICAI sums that you are going to solve again? No. ICAI sums we would have anyway solved in the regular class. You also would have learned that in the book. In workout, what we are going to do is we are going to do presentation focused discussion of past exam question, RTPs and MTPs along with adjustments. I call this library of adjustments. Let me give an example. If I take a topic like AS22 in the workout, maximum we might spend 2 hours for this whole topic. What I will do, in 30 to 45 minutes, I will revise the whole AS22, or we will revise the whole standard if it's audit. So you will get one full holistic view. Then in the questions, I will simply not solve the questions. We will first categorize all the type of problems that they can test in AS22. One could be math problem, one could be tax holiday, one could be compute direct deferred tax. We will categorize the type of sums, and for each sum I will list out what are all the common mistakes students will do, and quickly we will solve some questions. So what happens, we will cover all the common mistakes that you will do, so your workout will become strong, and someone who is getting 40s in accounts or whichever subject can easily end up with 60s, because the problem from 40 to 60 is not getting full 5 out of 5 in a question. I'm getting only 2 out of 5, sir. 3 out of 5. So this is what the WoW feature is. And lastly, in less than 150 hours over here, look at this guys, for each of the subject, like I mentioned, you have 150 hours, and for group 2 also 150 hours. We will be doing 1000 plus questions for the entire group put together, and categorizing these questions into type of adjustments, keeping it properly exam oriented for you. And lastly, in WoW subscription, because many students have been asking us for sharing, we have 1.8 views and unlimited views. Let me show that to you guys. Now, we have not simply created this course guys, a lot of thought has been gone behind this. So if I go to group 1 WoW subscription on the website, it is just 5,500 rupees. You can purchase it, 1.8 views. Only add-ons you have is, if you want unlimited views, you can add unlimited views where 3 to 4 of you can share in parallel watching. And if you want bridge test, DIRA bridge test, separate videos there for that. If you want to write 7 tests per subject, additionally you will take DIRA bridge test and write, and that's about it guys. This will be the journey of WoW subscription. Now let me know in the comments guys, is this something that you've been looking out as a student? Because every faculty tells, start from scratch, study whole thing again. Come on, we are all humans. We have to continue from where we left off, rectify the mistakes, that's when you will grow. Let me give an example. Virat Kohli, if he's getting out in cover drive, will he practice all the strokes again? No, he will practice only cover drive. That's what we are doing in WoW subscription. So looking forward to seeing you in the classes. Any other doubts you have, let me know in the comments or WhatsApp us. So this video is for all the students who are looking to take up WoW subscription, or already you are part of WoW subscription. For those students who have already taken it, let me explain how the classes will be in the app. In our app, we have part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. These 4 parts belongs to the SSS regular videos. In every subject, we will add another folder called WoW folder. In that WoW folder, you will have the classes over here of WoW concepts and WoW workout. So it is very easy for you to locate. Thank you guys.